For decades, we've heard replace butter with vegetable oils for a healthy heart. But what if I told you that an influential analysis of old studies claims the exact opposite? That this swap could even increase the risk of dying from heart disease? The star witness for this theory is rediscovered data from the Sydney Diet Heart Study from the 60s and 70s. The analysis showed the group that increased their intake of omega-6 fatty acids from vegetable oils had a tendency towards a higher risk of death. That seems like a clear case, right? This finding starkly contradicts official dietary recommendations. The diet heart hypothesis stated that replacing saturated fats with omega-6 fats lowers cholesterol and thus protects the heart. Suddenly, we face a puzzle. Who should we believe? The solution to the puzzle lies in the details of the old studies. First, the Sydney study used a margarine rich in now-banned trans fats. Second, in the Rose corn oil trial, the omega-6 group ate 700 more calories per day. And third, in the Minnesota coronary survey, over 70% of participants dropped out. These studies are too flawed to draw reliable conclusions. So you have a choice. Do you base your decision on alarming claims from methodologically weak studies of the past? Or do you look at the bigger picture painted by newer, better-controlled analyses? Modern research shows the problem is rarely an excess of omega-6 alone. It's the imbalance. Many of us consume too little anti-inflammatory omega-3 to balance out the pro-inflammatory potential of omega-6. It's not about avoidance, it's about balance. But this balance runs even deeper. Inflammation isn't inherently bad, it's a vital tool of our immune system. Therefore, constant, excessive suppression should be avoided just as much. A perfect example is broccoli. It produces powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, not for us, but to protect itself from predators. For an insect, this substance is harmful and weakens its system. For us, however, this tiny dose acts like a workout, strengthening our cellular defenses. So it's not about shutting down processes, but about intelligently training the body. What does this mean for you? It's simple. First, consciously increase your omega-3 intake through fatty fish, flax seeds, or walnuts. Second, focus on whole, unprocessed foods that come with a natural nutrient balance. And third, stop fearing individual nutrients and instead consider your overall diet. The truth about seed oils isn't the sensational title of a shock documentary. It lies in scientific reason. By focusing on balance instead of bans, you free yourself from fear and take control of your health. As always, we wish everyone a long, healthy, and happy life. Until next time.